Thokozani. I am Paul Wabadibu, the gift of the gods, and welcome to a Thokoza Gogo episode. Today we are outside and we're taking a break from the studio. There's been a lot that's been happening. We had the full moon, but today I want to talk all things the symmetry. Today I'll be taking you through everything the symmetry. You know it's my favorite place. However, today I'm going to be teaching about it because I've been getting a lot of clients, or rather abantu abazayo kimi endumbeni ababahlushwa yinkinga ezihlangana nezinto ezilana emathuneni. So if you are one of those people, well, you are just in luck because this episode is just especially for you. So I hope by the end of this, you are going to learn a few things or two. Come with me as I teach you everything that you need to know, connecting you with emathuneni and imimoya. Thokozani. Peaceful, ne? I know, but it is not as quiet as it seems. Let's start again. Have you ever asked yourself why emathuneni you'll never find amalites? It's because some things just need to be left just as they are, and we do not disturb spirit because there's a lot that happens. If you're brave enough, you need to come emathuneni ebusuku so you can actually get a good feel of spirit. So before I started actually recording this, I had to start and ask and announce myself ukuthi ngubani mina, so that because I've done a video at some stage where I've engaged in this type of recordings and I've seen my battery being depleted, weird things happening. I get home, the audio is not as good because I'm accessing a space. This is a different spiritual ground. I call it a spiritual playground because there's a lot happening. So indawo inemithetho yakhona. And when accessing this space, it's important to know what uzoyenzani. So because thina ke sisijwayele that we just know, but mawuzalana, look decent. That's all I can say. Look decent, look respectable. Most people will say, but mina always have ibaye mutweni. Yes, it's important because as a woman, or protector, your womb. Your womb absorbs a lot of things. Your womb is a carrier. If ubonile ukuthi yazi angina into okuthola, but at least have something ozoba nayo lana or lana so that you look decent when accessing this space, because imimoya maningi la, and a spirit can attach itself to you. A wandering spirit can attach itself to you. So let's talk umgodi. Inhlabathi lena yala emathuneni, it is very ingenye indlela iyasinda le nhlabathi lena. Umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi akwenze izinto ezimbi ngenhlabathi emathuneni. For example, siyayithatha le nhlabathi lena, if kunento mhlambe umuntu akwenze yona and then ufuna ukuhlakaza noma ufuna ukumosha, we are able to actually use inhlabathi yasemathuneni and then sikwenze whatever that we want to do. So basically umuntu okwenza lento leyo usuka ngakuthanda, usuka kubona ukuthi ufile, you basically being buried alive. However, ezinye zezinto you consult ohlangabezana nazo that you're always told is that kunento yakho ekujele emathuneni and there's something elahlekile eyakho, naloyo muntu loyo okwenze lento leyo gogo akakuthandi because uyakubulala uphila, depending on whatever item, because into ekisuke igijinyisiwe, it is your DNA. So you might find ukuthi in life you're trying to push izinto zakho, but you feel, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of things here, but we're gonna keep it moving. Okay, cool. You might find ukuthi in life you are trying to navigate in terms of your life, but you are stuck. Ayikho into ongayenzanga, ayikho inyanga ongayihambanga. Uthola ukuthi izinto zakho zigujelwe somewhere. Kuyenzeka vele lokho ukuthi umuntu akwenze. So umuntu makwenze kanjalo, you must know ukuthi akunamuntu ozokusiza unless that thing has been undone. So in most cases when something like this happened, it's always a case of an eye for an eye. So umuntu is able to print your picture azosingcwaba la emathuneni, afune nje ithuna ngalazi noma umgodi ovulekile, so or inhlabathi angcwabe, or afune nje agubhe la akhulumisa afake isithombe sakho lapho lezo zinto lezo akungcwaba kubulale, nongoba athathe impahla yakho or your underwear or whatever. So it's important to be aware of your surroundings and about who you associate with, because sometimes those jelly people really love you and they don't necessarily care about you, and they're doing weird things behind your head. So lezo zinto zakho ezilahlekayo that you are not taking account. Go back to the drawing board and seek advice from a well-versed healer akusize ukuthi at least break le curse osukwenzele yona, because sometimes generational curses start here. If somebody does something to you akungcwabe la or ayenzeni, that thing is not broken, and and it carries on within your generations or inzalo nenzalo yako. So not all generational curses are, the airy fairy things. They are actually deep. Umama zalo uyakumonela, an ex-girlfriend of the guy you're probably dating uyakumonela. Because when we are in anger mode, trust me, I've had the most wildest cases. You can act out of character. So it's important to think twice now if you want to do something like that emuntwini. Uyabona lo mgodi ukuthi deep kanjani. The sad part is that all of us sizophelela lapha at some point. I always say this every time. My clients know. Umgodi mase uvuleke kanje. Abanikazi babo are either going to pass this week esiya kuyo, or they are sick, they are preparing themselves to cross over. Can I finish recording? Okay, somebody is trying to connect Namilana, and it's a male, and I hope it's not. Oh my gosh. Okay, all right. Okay, let me pull back to myself. So what I wanted to tell you, Guti, umgodi lona uyahlonisha, guys. For the fact ukuthi wakho awukakayenziwa umgodi, you need to be grateful and appreciate life, because once sowuvuleke kanje unomuntu oyongena kuwo lo mgodi lena, and it's time, my love. And once you are here, it's another different world. Maniza emathuneni nizofuna umuntu akini, kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu alahleke ningakwazi ukuthi nimthole. So it's very important that as you're approaching the cemetery, especially if awazi ukuthi ulele kuphi, manifikela ngala bekalele ngakhona, uzoma la umbize ukuthi Dimpho Mvundla, umbize, and then silana size kuwe sizokubona, because abanye bayazifihla not because of alitholakala ithune lakhe. Kuyenzeka ukuthi nje umuntu angafuni ukuhlangana nani noma angafuni ukuthi nimhluphe. So it's important that mawuze emathuneni uyakhuluma kusendlini ukuthi kusasa sethuneni lakabani, because nakanjani they are expecting you. However, amathuna ayasinda, guys. Yabona manje ngime phambi kwamathuna asese fresh lawo ngime phambi kwawo, and there is a lot of heavy energy. That's why I prefer old cemeteries than actually the new ones. So sometimes niyangcwaba umuntu nizitshele ukuthi that it is done. It's important to understand ukuthi abantu bayaganga. Limit access to amathuna wabantu basemagini. Don't show it off all the time, because sometimes abanye beze emingcwabeni not to support you, but because bazele ukuzolocate ithuna laloyo muntu loyo. And then noma senihambile nibulawa ama aftertares nisendlini kukhala uthebe, bona bayabuya bezalana bazoganga emathuneni. So it's important ukuthi ni access a healer that can help you. We are here to help you kwezintweni that you don't understand, because trust me and believe you, there are people mabeza ukuthi uzibani ushonile, they rejoice not because of bafuna ukunhleka, they rejoice because they know ukuthi they want to tap into that energy, especially if they knew ukuthi umuntu mawuphila la emhlabeni who was a fighter, who was thriving, who was basically a phoenix. No one would not want to tap into that energy and actually manipulate the energies. Izinto ezifana nokulandwa komoya nehlahla nanani, those things play a very vital role in the spiritual realm. So you're probably asking yourself, what do I bring mangiza la emathuneni gogo? I always say is an amanzi wasendlini. You can bring a snake, you can bring impepho, and you can have a kandlela depending on that. But remember, emathuneni unakhona ukuthi depend ngomuntu osewashona ukuthi what is the situation around that. So consulting sometimes guesses, especially if you have not accessed ithuna leyo muntu loyo in a long time. But however, ukuza uphethe lezo zinto kubonisa inhlonipho kulo muntu enisuke nizombona. Make sure that you carry isiphuzo saloyo muntu loyo, because I say ukuthi amathuna, they are like the diary room, and not just talking to all the ancestors, because no nomsame endlini you're accessing all these ancestors, but sometimes kunezinto that ofuna ukukhuluma naye in particular. So uyakwazi ukuthi, baby girl, meet me in your bedroom. Tombstones are very important, lovely family. Ama-tombstone abalulekile because it's not only just about ukuthi ukwenzela abantu, it is about the one who is in the afterlife. And ukuthi umfakele ilitshe, it goes a long way, even generations and generations to come. There's nothing as painful as that uyethuneni bese akukho right. So there are a couple of examples, but I did ask, I wanted to show you, but I can't shoot lawo mathuna for Nina. Ithuna akumelanga liwele. Ithuna akumelanga libe namagap la emaceleni, because what happens to Nina ensele enphilayo, kuzoba nezinto ezisinakho ezinivelelayo or noma izinto ezingani understandi naloko futhi kubuye kukubange inhlupheko. So ukuya emathuneni ukuyoxoxa ithuna lomuntu ongasekho, it's very important. Even if you go every 3 months, if mhlawumbe uyahluleka ukuya every month, but just go and check up on the grave if akuna tombstone, nilibuyise nje nilibumbe ithuna libukeke, because malivulekile lingekho right, loyo muntu loyo, it's just a very deep conversation that I would go into. Like, imagine if ithuna lomzali wakho linjalo and then you want izinto eziright elifini. How is that gonna happen? Ithuna liyafana nomsamu, liyahlonisha. How amathuna wakini anganjalo anjalo, or mhlawumbe ukwenzakala ngesizulu sami, amathuna wakini the way angakhona are literally depiction of how serious you take your ancestors. So I don't play when it comes to amathuna. Ithuna libukeke libe right. So ningafulatheli nizitshela ukuthi nifulathela kunaphakade and there is no such thing as the afterlife. Labantu bayaphila basesekhona. It's just ukuthi they are no longer existing within this flesh of the body. So you found amacoin ethuneni lasekile. Don't overlook that. Abantu bayaganga. It can be typical strangers or kubo umndeni wakho. Let's start with the strangest part. This thing yokuthatha igubhu. Ezinye inyanga ziyatshela abantu ukuthi bahambe baye emathuneni athizeni. Mhlawumbe umuntu athi kuhamba ethuneni ongalazi noma uhamba ethuneni lomlungu, because in most cases they will direct you to ethuneni lomlungu. But lokhu sekuchaphakile ke manje in our black community, because umuntu usuka judge ukuthi oh umpho ushonile. Umpho was this kind of person bekaphila this ithi ngiyothwala ngaye azosebenzela mina. So those type of things umuntu uyakwazi ukufika ethuneni akhunye, right? That is a conversation within a conversation. So mawuthola izinto ezifana namacoin, ilabhe limnyama, ilabhe liready, a piece of meat, cold drink and all those things, owazi kahle ukuthi asibekanga uwe noma ilitshe nje ongalazi, you need to be vigilant about those things. Seek advice. I always say this, or rather uhambe, go to a traditional chemist, uyothelwa izinto uchele ithuna lelo, and seek a consultation, a reading with somebody who can connect you nalo muntu wakini so that you know what is happening, because abantu bayaganga emathuneni wabantu. Don't take that very lightly. And also when it comes to a family is very devious when it comes to izinto zamathuna. They think that they can manipulate ancestors. So yakwazi ukufika umuntu mhlawumbe, for example, umuntu ayethuneni logogo lo engimthwasile, afika afuna ukukhunga lapha idlozi, afuna ukuganga, afuna ukuthwebula idlozi, afuna ukuthwebula inhlanhla. Loyo muntu lo usuka ngekho right, and always the intention is not good. Remember, amadlozi awagcoki ibam shots, and amadlozi, they are not clowns. It's not good they are kids that you can carry them and do all those things. But however, umuntu that is doing this, whether it's family or outside, they are basically manipulating the energies, and they are manipulating inhlanhla ezihlangene nomsamakini. So it goes back to this thing yokuthi nizozithola niyaphahla nithi nenza umsebenzi wamadlozi, or you're trying to connect, kanti there's an energy leak whereby there's somebody ohambile, like it's a long stretch. It just needs you to be spiritually open-minded to kind of understand these things, that life is spiritual. And whether you like it or not, you can't just live and just be oblivious to all these things that are happening, because naganjani, they do come back and affect us. And umuntu nongoba angasekho sekangale kulamathonga usakhuluma ithuna lakhe. I mean, most cases, mina ama-client ami abangithathayo bangisa emathuneni wakubo, I give you a reading according to ithuna lelo. Ithuna liyakhuluma bogogo, liyachaza, umuntu uyakutshela indaba ngendawo asuka lele kuyo. Obunye uzothola ithuna linomhlanga. Hey guys, we see a lot of things that are happening around here, and there's a lot of things that happen, but ungalithathi lightly. Nokuthi ufake ilitshe liwe, uthole lezo zinto lezo, they matter, they count, because leyo muntu yakhuluma, omunye usakwatile usalwa even in the afterlife. And like I said ukuthi not all energies are pure umuze endaweni enjengalena. So it's important ukuthi mawufika endlini uyazihlambulula, ungathatha umlotha if ukhona, or uthenge holy ash, uthenge umadubula netswele ikhrofu, uzihlambulule, just uzilule, upholise inyawo. If ekhaya kuneyingane ezincane, ungaqala uaccess ingane, upholise inyawo. That's how we were brought up first. And ke izangoma abathi azihambi imingcwabo, well mina ngiyawuhamba. And ngiyakudla nokudla kwakhona ngiyakuthanda because it's my favorite. But however, it's important that after you access this type of places, you just cleanse yourself and uber right. Mind you, while I was still growing up, I did not understand why every time I would come to the cemetery, I would collapse. I would collapse. It's only when I started on my spiritual journey, because I would get to Ematuneni, hear voices, hear people, it would be so loud, and nobody understood what was happening to me. But it's when I started walking my journey, I understood my contribution to the healing body, and that is why I will never not enjoy being here. I respect the space. So lastly, one might be asking, Coco, what is the perfect time to go to the cemetery? I'm not one who's fussy about it because I believe energy is energy. However, that's a different kind of conversation. But I'm more of an afternoon type of girly, and maybe an early morning, depending on a good sense. So even then you can go out early, blah blah blah. But I don't know about that. But I believe umuntu manize tuning like they are more or less expecting you. However, the message I just want to leave you with today is that imagine sekuwuleli lana and people have forgotten about you. They don't care about you. It's like you never existed. It's just a painful experience. It leaves you with a bitter taste. I don't know how I can explain that to you. The littlest thing of you going emathuneni uyoklina uyobheka uyovusela, it really does go a long way in the spirit world. Bayamkela unaloyo muntu osukuye kuyo uyamkela ajabule. It's not about you going there uyophahla. It's not about you going there uyocela. Sometimes just showing up there, uklina ithuna, uqoqa ithuna, it really does go a long way. Nane nibukele lana enamathuna emileni wathole, whether umuntu oyomthwasa or abantu bakini or lelo dlozi lakini elikubhekile elamba phambili, because amadlozi, I always say this when I give the analogy, is that look at it as a parliament. There's a department of this, there's a department of that, there's this, there's a government, there's minister of this, but there is that one, when I talk to them, things that happen, ungafulatheli idlozi lakho, linake ulithande and do best. Mina, I am that girl that loves talking for the afterlife because I have lived this life for now over 10 years. When I moved into the space, my life changed because my perspective of how I viewed life and the spiritual world just made me want to be so invested and look after everything that surrounds me. So take it from me that I'm saying to you that you're doing a good job. If this year it's your goal to put a tombstone, do it. Amadlozi, they will support you. Just set a date, pin it there, leave it, and anything else will come after. But to Nina enshonelayo or enshonele, tutuzegani, because you have gained an ancestor, and that should mean something. So I forgot to add this. There is a period whereby inyongo yakhe seyibhobokile, so those things will actually tell within the family. Sometimes nizovelela izinto ezingekho right, or maybe you might have a hard time. So those periods are observed differently. So that's why it's important to seek spiritual advice every chance you get, because not all the time when you're accessing isangoma usuke uyohlola ngokuthi ubani ukugijimisa ngemfene, ubani uwenzani. And most of all, take note of amaphupho that you dream of the people that are in the afterlife. They are always saying something. And if umuntu awumphuphi, that is also a message that you need to know. There's something, or rather an irregularity or an imbalance or a spiritual disalignment because they need to be able to be in access or contact you. So umuntu mawungakwazi ukuxhumana naye, then you must need to know ukuthi no kunento ekhona fuze ilungiswe. So not all the time ukuthi we are here to tell you to buy a red chicken, to buy white dukes. Sometimes we are just here to help to bridge the gap between the physical and the afterlife. Manisemathuneni niklinela abantu basemakini, ningathathi idoti nilahlele kulaba abase next door. The most decent thing you can do is just take idoti lesuki lapho noyilahlela ngale eceleni ekugcineni kwamathuna, unlike ukuthi uthathe idoti uyilahlele phambi komuntu ophambi kwakho, because it is plain disrespect. In some cases, mina mangfikile, especially when I go to my great grandmother's grave, I would honestly take whatever, even I find, even the next door, I would take and clean it, and there's nothing to it, because I mean, cleanliness is the best thing you can do in a spirit world. So this is just that message ukuthi look after amathuna wakini, but ungadeleli abantu. Nongoba niemathuneni makungcwatshwa ninyathela amathuna wabantu, mawunyathela ithuna uyaxolisa, uyakhuluma ukuthi oh sorry, yabo? Sorry, yo askisi, sorry, uyakhuluma, because that is someone's bedroom that you are stepping over. You don't do that. Futhi once usemncwabeni umfundisi sekathi akubongwe kuyiwe emakhaya nina nivele nje niphenduka amahlange ninyathela amathuna wabantu. You don't do that. So that is why ngithi the best thing, just invest in a tombstone so that ithuna lakini lingazodeleleka. Angeke ukuthi usemncwabeni uyame ngetombstone yomuntu. You don't do that. So but ke ungadelela wakini, but abantu ungawayenzi kanjalo, because abantu asifani namadlozi awafani. Guys, I'll see you on the next one. From me to you, it's nothing but love and light. Thokozani.